The Tatsinskaya Airfield was the main airfield used by the German Wehrmacht during the Battle of Stalingrad to supply the encircled Sixth Army from outside. Overview: the Tatsinskaya Airfield, 260 kilometers west of Stalingrad, became the most important airfield for the supply of the trapped Sixth Army in Stalingrad after all land connections were severed after the 24th of November, 1942, when the airlift began. From Tatsinskaya, a Ju-52 plane would take approx. 1¼ hour to reach Stalingrad, from where it would return after a 3.5-hour turnaround, theoretically making it possible to complete a mission in 6 hours. Tatsinskaya served as the main base for the Ju-52 transport planes, while Morozovskaya was mainly used by the He-111 bombers, which were converted to transport planes. The airfield was under threat of being taken by the Soviet Red Army, but Hermann Göring forbade its evacuation, despite request from Major General Fiebig, who was in charge of the air supply for Stalingrad. On the 23rd of December, Göring gave permission to evacuate, but it was too late. Tatsinskaya was overrun a day later, with the German Luftwaffe losing almost 70 of the 180 Ju-52s stationed there and all ground equipment. The fall of the airfield, along with the one at Morozovskaya being threatened, brought supplies to the Sixth Army to a halt until the 26th. Although briefly retaken by the Germans on the 28th, Tatsinskaya fell back into Soviet hands by the 31st of December. After the fall of Tatsinskaya, the Ju-52 from the were relocated to Salch, while the He-111 went to Novokakassk, increasing the distance to travel considerably. Location: the still existing airfield is located approximately 35 kilometers east of the town of Belaya-Kalitva, near the stanitsa of Tatsinskaya. Battle of Stalingrad airfields. Pocket airfields. 7 airfields were used inside the pocket to supply the Sixth Army: Pitomnik, Bolshaya Rososhka, Stalingradsky, Gumrag, now Volgograd International Airport, Visargino, Voroponovo, Karpouka. External airfields. 11 airfields were used to supply the Sixth Army from outside of the pocket: Tatsinskaya, Morozovsk, Svarovo, Salch, Stalino Nord, Novokakassk, Lugansk, Golyuka, Makiyuka, Kostiantinuka, Rostov.